What's up, big fellas? So have you guys thought about buying some Chelsea boots? I'm going to show you guys what kind are the best for what occasion, and simply, can big guys rock a nice Chelsea boot? Let's go! What's up, big fellas? Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on my channel. And if you like the content and the information, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification icon so that you're notified any and every time I drop some new heat. Also follow me on Instagram at Dondrick_Ray. Now, let's jump into the content. So I got 4 pair of Chelsea boots here, and I got them lined up from most casual to most dressy. So we're gonna go over what you should wear and what occasion, and if you're gonna buy your first pair, what pair do I suggest you buy first? So the first ones I got is this tan pair here, and I got these from Steve Madden, and these are actually, I think they changed color on me because I wore them so much. These are like my workhorses. If you guys follow me on Instagram, what you should do right now, you will see I have so many outfits worn with this particular pair of boots on there. And the reason that these are considered more casual Chelsea boots are because of the color as well as the sole. They have more of the soft sole to them, you see here. And the color, a light color, really in boots equals more casual. So as we move further down the list, we have these tan pair which look good with almost anything, and these also have the soft sole. And these, if you look at it, are slightly shorter than these. I personally like a tall Chelsea boot. This is probably the shortest I would go. I don't really like the low top Chelsea boots. I don't know. It's just my preference. But these right here go great with so many things. These go great with jeans, whether they're regular jeans or distressed. But the funny thing about Chelsea boots is that you want to make sure that the pants are properly around the ankle. Even if you don't have a skinny pair of jeans, you may want to get those jeans tapered at the ankle so that they fall nicely over the boot, because you don't want your jeans to dominate these boots. Now moving up the list, these are brown color, these are darker color obviously, which makes them a little more dressy, and these actually have the hard sole on them. See that? You can also wear these with jeans, but you can also dress this up and wear these with a pair of slacks if you want to, because they have the color and they have the hard sole to back up the kind of dressiness that you would want if you choose to rock a dressy Chelsea boot. And these, you can probably get away with wearing jeans with these, and these are black leather. You know, these also have the hard sole. But these, you can probably get away with jeans, but you definitely want to dress these up. If not a blazer, then you need an overcoat with a nice button-down shirt. Leather is always good for dressing up an outfit. And I told you guys about the soles, the hard soles. The harder the sole, the dressier the Chelsea boot. Now, when it comes to all of these, well, I personally think it's based on your lifestyle. If you have a more casual lifestyle, I say go with these. If you have a more dressy upscale lifestyle, I say go with these. But the first pair of Chelsea boots I ever bought were these. I've had these for over 2 years, and they've been great to me. They've been my workhorses. And now I think I'm going to start being in the market for some new ones. I'm actually looking at the New Republic Chelsea boot. Those really look good online. So if any of you guys out there have a pair of New Republic Chelsea boots, hit me up on Instagram, DM me, let me know what you think about them, if they're quality, if they have nice materials, if they feel good on the feet, etc., etc. So the fit, if you have a more narrow foot, obviously you go with a regular pair or a regular fit Chelsea boot. These are from Steve Madden. These are from a company called Base London, and both of these are actually from ASOS themselves. And I'm gonna be honest with you, even though they're kind of light, they feel decent on the feet. The sole could be a little thicker, but I've had these both over a year and they've been good to me. So I do recommend, if you guys are on a budget, go ahead and cop some ASOS brand Chelsea boots and you will not regret it. These Base London ones, In terms of the fit, you may want to go up a half a size to a size because it's very difficult. As much as I love these, it's very difficult to wear a sock with these because they ended up kind of being a little tight. So if you're gonna buy some Chelsea boots from Base London, size up. All the rest, I have no problem with the sizing. Now, if you guys have a wider foot, ASOS also has a wider fit Chelsea boot available. If you don't want to buy from ASOS, hit up Amazon. I'm gonna put some links in the description because Amazon also has wide fit Chelsea boots from different brands. So my favorite pair personally is my first pair because I feel like I can wear these for almost anything, and I do at the moment have a more casual lifestyle, so these go perfectly with my aesthetic and my lifestyle. I always say dress according to the way you live. Even if you like something a little more, if you guys have a job where you guys need to be dressy and you guys are going to be at that job 5-6 days a week, it doesn't make any sense for you to go out and buy a pair that you can only wear 1 day a week. That's stupid. So buy a more dressy pair. But like I said, if you have a more casual lifestyle, you may want to go with one of these and stay away from the hard bottoms. The disclaimer on these hard bottoms is that when you wear them, they're obviously going to have that slick bottom. So if you guys get in some trouble out there, ain't nobody really going to catch the fade in these.
What is that? Oh, what is that? Who you fighting?
Now these and these have a little more grip on the bottom, and they're actually a little more comfortable in terms of the cushioning of the shoe. So you can plant and you can throw that overhand right, almost like you would be able to do in a pair of sneakers. Somebody can catch the fade in these. Ain't nobody catching the fade in these. So buyer beware. Again, big fellas, thank you for tuning in to another episode. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. And remember, just because we're big don't mean that we cannot stay fly. Peace out, y'all.